Hello, welcome to my page and my YouTube channel. I'm VHEN Bautista, aka Chino Romero of California, and here's a beautiful song requested by Gina, Aninon, Demayo. Ang tagal ko na sana gusto mag-request sa'yo, idol. Tinablan ako ng hiya at baka hindi mo napansin. Ayaw kong ma-disappointed, idol. Anyway, thanks. Idol, pwede ba mag-request ng Skyline Pigeon? Favorite song ko kasi, idol. Tas ang tagal ko na narinig, idol ko, salamat. Hindi narinig siguro ito. Salamat in advance. Ayun. Ikaw talaga, Gina, ha? Lagi kang nagko-comment pero hindi mo sinasabi na may gusto kang i-request na kanta. Sabihin mo lang sa akin. Just message me in my inbox. Okay? Hindi ko alam ang gusto mo, ha? Hindi ako manghuhula. But anyway, I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart dahil lagi kang share ng aking mga video at nagko-comment. Thank you so much. Hindi kita makakalimutan. And I would like also to mention Mariette Tagod, isa rin pong video share. Thank you so much sa walang sawang pag-share ng aking mga video sa aking mga group. Thank you. And here's a song, Skyline Pigeon. It's popularized by Elton John. I hope you guys like it.
Turn me loose from your hands. Let me fly to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains. Home along the lanes of the skyway, for this dark and lonely room projects a shadow cast in gloom, and my eyes are mirrors of the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind can turn the tide. And these shadows turn from purple into gray, for just a skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. So very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Let me wake up in the morning to the smell of new mown hay, to laugh and cry, to live and die in the brightness of my day. I wanna hear the pealing bells of distant churches sing, but most of all, please free me from this aching metal ring, and open up this cage towards the sun. Or just a skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away